don't get around, but there's something.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along to do a kitchen kind of declutter, organize, clean up, everything like that. I actually already tidied after breakfast this morning, but I do want to kind of go in the cupboards and reorganize those. So if you are in need of some cleaning motivation, or you just kind of want to get some ideas on how you can organize your kitchen cupboards and kitchen space a bit better, then this is the video for you. I actually got a few new bits to organize with, so I'm gonna show you those as well. But yeah, today is actually Victor's first day at school, at like, you know, actual big boy school, and it was such an emotional morning. Like, he was absolutely fine going in. I could tell he was a bit nervous, but he was quite excited about it, I think. Yeah, he did really well. He went in fine. He was like, bye. He was absolutely fine, and then I was there tearing up because I'm also pregnant. So yeah, I think I'm more emotional than usual. Like, my emotions are all over the place. So yeah, I was there teary-eyed, and he was absolutely fine going in. So yeah, I hope he's having a good day. I think I'm just gonna do this kitchen organized to keep my mind off of it, because I keep thinking, you know, is he okay? Can he, you know, is he okay going to the toilet by himself? Which I know he is. I'm sure he's doing fine. It's just, you know, being a mom, you always have those kind of worries in your head. So yeah, that's where we are at today. So I'm going to go ahead and get started in the kitchen, but before we do, I just kind of wanted to show you something quick that we got this week. Okay, so before we get into the rest of the kind of cleaning video, I just wanted to show you, because we got our HelloFresh delivered for the week. Today's Wednesday. We usually get our box towards the beginning of the week. Today's video is kindly sponsored by HelloFresh, and I was so excited because I have been using HelloFresh for quite a while now. I'll show you my recipe folder. So I just keep all of these recipes because it does come with these recipe cards, which are really handy, and you can make them again if you want to. And I just keep all of them in here. I've got quite a bit from my previous boxes. Some of them are our absolute favorites that I make again and again. So yeah, we got 3 meals for this week. The first one is a creamy lemon chicken linguine. It looks so delicious. Then I've got halloumi burgers with wedges and a salad, and then chicken korma curry with rice on the side as well. So these are the 3 recipes I picked for this week, but you can get more meals in a week if you prefer. You can pick how many people you want these recipes to be for, so I just usually go for 2 people, for myself and my husband, and then our little one kind of picks from our plate. But yeah, it's really nice to do in our weekly meal plan, because it just saves me so much time. It saves me so much hassle, because I don't have to think about all the recipes for the week. If you've tried kind of weekly meal planning, it gets to a point where you get a bit stuck in a rut and you don't know what else to cook. And so I feel like this is such an easy way to try new recipes and to just make new meals that you maybe would not have thought of. And yeah, it's just so easy, so convenient, and then it gets delivered in a box to your door. It's all safely packaged. It's always fresh, and it's really quality ingredients as well. Like, all of the recipes that I've tried have been really delicious. And it's nice because you get the meal. Like, I'll show you, this is one of the meals, and then you can see the number of the meal on the recipe card, so you can see what's inside here, and everything's all pre-packaged in here, like all the veggies, everything you need for the recipe, and it's the exact amount that you need, so you're not going to waste a lot of food, because I feel like it's so easy to waste food, and especially nowadays when you're trying to kind of maybe budget, save some money, having the exact ingredients that you need is super helpful, and yeah, it just helps be less wasteful. And what I really love about the HelloFresh recipe box is that it's also very flexible. So if you need to, you know, skip a week, kind of pause if you're going on holiday or something, then you can absolutely do that, which we were on holiday like a couple of weeks ago, and now we're back home, back in routine, back to school. My son's back to school, so yeah, it just makes it so easy, because at the end of the day I'm exhausted, and when I want to cook dinner, it's so nice to have it all, you know, just the recipe there, all the ingredients there. I just have to quickly cook it up. And yeah, I would highly recommend you, if you haven't tried HelloFresh yet. It's a really amazing meal box. You can get, you know, your dinners sorted for the week. Yes, I will be linking HelloFresh in the description box if you want some really convenient and really delicious meals as well. They've also kindly given me a discount code to share with you, so you can get 60% off your first box. How amazing is that? And you can get 25% off your next 8 boxes, so that's like 2 months worth of food. I think that's pretty amazing. Yeah, so that will be all linked in the description box, so you can check them out. I'm really excited to make one of these dinners tonight. And yeah, let's get on with the rest of this cleaning video.
Something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the
Okay, so I've taken out all of the cleaning bits out here, and I've kind of cleaned at the bottom of that because it was quite bad. So now I'm going to use a new storage bit for there, and this is what it looks like. So it's one of those really nicely adjustable ones. I just got it recently. I will link it in the description box. Yeah, it's all of these bits come off. And it's also adjustable, like the length, you can make it shorter as this short or, you know, longer. So I think I'm just gonna take all of these bits off just to kind of see how it fits in there. And yeah, just kind of try to figure out a good way of organizing all of those bits.
nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only.
Okay, so those are my cleaning bits, more organized. I feel like it's so much better. Like, it doesn't look maybe great, but yeah, I think I'm going to be able to find everything easier because everything was just piled up on top of each other. So I just have it in the back. I've put things that we don't use that often, and then I've kept in the front things that I use, you know, more on a daily basis. Dish cleaners and surface spray and things like that. So I am quite pleased with that under the sink. I feel like it looks so much better. It's going to be easier to find things as well. So I'm just going to move to the rest of the cupboards. I'm trying to decide what I want to do today. I've ordered a few more bits to kind of organize Victor's crafts and papers and just kind of like his little magazines that he has. So I'm gonna do that probably in the next few days. But I think today I'm going to move on to the snack cupboards. So I'm gonna do this one up here, and then this is quite a bit of a mess, so I just kind of need to organize those. I just know there are empty packets in there that are just kind of sitting around, so I'm gonna organize those. And then I'm also going to tackle this right now. This is absolutely fine, like it doesn't need anything done. I think I'm just gonna take things out and hoover under here, just because there are things, you know, bits from onions and potatoes and things like that. So just kind of hoover and give it a spray. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tackle that now.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. Let's talk, got nothing on you. useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
Okay, so that's looking so much better. So these two baskets that I have for potatoes and onions are from Ikea, just in case you're wondering. And then these two containers for snacks are also Ikea. I just got my Dymo label maker that I used to put on those labels. And then down here I've also got these two baskets also from Ikea. I think you can assume a lot of these things are Ikea to organize with. Yeah, so we've got the snacks so much better organized. So I think I'm gonna move on to up there in those cupboards. I've got ingredients and spices and things like that. So I really need to get those organized as well.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting.
Okay, so that's quite a bit of stuff. I just took everything out of these cupboards. So I just got these shelves that I got off Amazon a while ago. So I will try to link as much as I can from the, you know, the storage bits that we have in the kitchen cupboards. So I'm just gonna put back some of the things on there, like cans and things like that. But I also took out all of these. So these are my, you know, like condiments, spices, things like that. So I do need to refill a few of them. I did check, so they're all fresh, and I just took them out of here. This is where they usually go, so I'll pop them back in there. But I do need to refill, like these are empty, and I actually did buy the things, like we do have paprika and smoked paprika as well, but I just kept them in there, which they were just cluttering the space a lot. And it's just because I was just lazy when I got these in the food shop. So I'm gonna make sure I put all of these, you know, all of the spices in here so that they're all in one spot. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm gonna fill the flour, just kind of do refills and reorganize and put everything back in the cupboards then. Oh, and for all of these, for the labels, I just use my Dymo label maker. And it's really quick and easy to put the labels on. So I just did one for coconut, because I have some desiccated coconut that I'm gonna put, I think, in one of the tall ones. So yeah, it's just really handy for making little labels like this.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. My heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight.
Okay, so the spices cupboard is nice and, you know, kind of freshened up, all refill. I mean, most of them are refilled. I have a few that I need to get from the shop, but yeah, that's most of those done. So now I'm going to move into these two cupboards and kind of organize all of these away.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
That's looking so much better as well. See, I knew I didn't have as many things in here, like I didn't need as many things, but some of the spices just had to go in the other cupboard. So yeah, it's just so much more clear now. And then I've also got in here, you know, pasta, flour. These little shelves are very handy. Like you just get this bit that attaches underneath a shelf, and then these containers just go on top of it, and it's super handy when you've got that bit of space on top and you can't really use it otherwise. So I just use these for the coffee pots, and those drawers are from Ikea as well. Yes, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting that kind of organizing ideas, inspiration from this. Don't forget to check out HelloFresh. It will be linked in the description box, so you can get, you know, a good discount of your first few boxes. And yeah, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.